This year Honda is coming out with a brand new generator, and I've been looking everywhere online to find out everything I can so you don't have to. This right here is the familiar EU3200i, and it looks like it's going to have a new and improved older brother with the EU3200i. The new Honda 3200i, also known as simply EU32i, and is most likely going to replace the current EU3000i. What we know so far by looking at the picture is that it's going to be a much needed update from the current EU3000i, which will make it comparably portable as its less powerful brothers, the EU1000i and this EU2100i, with a maximum output of 3200 watts. The motor will be the new GX130 and will be a real high-performance generator, and the first one in that segment with the electronic fuel injection just like the EU7000i. What electronic fuel injection means for the future of generators like this one is greater fuel efficiency, it's extremely easy to start without the need of a choke, and will have a longer operating time than the model it replaces. It does this by optimizing the fuel rate based on the motor temperature and needed wattage output. In combination with the eco throttle, this makes for a really efficient generator which fulfills even the strictest emissions regulations all over the world. They state that usability also plays an important role as well, which is why the new model's tank is refillable while it's running. Contrary to the EU3000is, which weighs in at just over 70 pounds, this new generator will weigh just over 58.4 pounds, making it just 10 pounds heavier than this 2200i generator, making it much more portable than its predecessor. The user interface was also improved and simplified. To start the generator, only 2 steps are required, which is turn the switch to on and pull the handle. Like the new 2200i, this new generator will also feature Bluetooth technology. You'll need to download the Honda My Generator Bluetooth app, which allows for remote starting, stopping, and monitoring. But Honda's pull start models like this one will still require manual startup, but the new app allows for remote stopping and monitoring. There you'll be able to see the current wattage output, remaining runtime with the given fuel and output, the whole runtime, and as I said, the ability to turn off the motor remotely. The release is planned for March of this year. This is not certain though, and could be moved back, like almost everything else these days. We also don't have a confirmed price yet, so make sure you click the bell if you haven't already to notify you of new videos about this and many more quiet generators. What's your first impressions of this new Honda generator? Let me know in the comment section below, and of course if you like this video, click the like, and I'll see you next time.